You know the food good when you just moan a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's India. Today we're about to do a mukbang. We're about to do a Q&A, answer some questions. Let's get into it because I'm really hungry. I didn't eat all day. So I got some Sassy Bird. It came with strawberry lemonade. Oh, this is about to be so good. It's fresh. It's real fresh. It tastes like real strawberries. This is what it came in. Let's do a reveal. Let's do it. I'm trying to... A thumbnail. So the first question is, are you single? Yes, I'm single. I'm single and I'm not ready to mingle. Relationships come with a lot, and I feel like I'm like emotionally not available. Do you want kids? I do want kids. I think I would like maybe one or two, but not right now. I'm too young. I'm 20. So I feel like I would want kids by 30. Yeah, 30s, around there. I want to have myself established first. And I'm young, like I'm young, lit, turned. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for the baby daddy drama. None of that. Let's take a bite. This is so good. Their sauce is really good from here. It kind of tastes like ranch with seasoned salt. Y'all want a bite? Next question is, what are your goals for the rest of 2023? I feel like one of my goals is YouTube. I want to be a little bit consistent. By the end of 2023, we have like 6 months left. I would hope to be at 1,000 followers. And another goal is to just save up my money for the rest of 2023. I just bought a car. So I feel like that was kind of like my purchase for the year. And all my other big girl purchases will probably be after 2023. And of course, school. My goal is to stay more consistent in school, more disciplined. Next question is, what's your favorite show? I'm really like a TV person. I really like watching like TV shows more than movies. So I can't really tell you what favorite show. But right now I'm watching what am I watching? Homecoming, the All-American spinoff. I really like it so far. I'm on episode 7, 8, season 1. It's good so far. Like, usually sometimes spinoffs aren't really that good, but I like that. I like her as the main character. She's giving what it's supposed to give. I feel like I'm talking fast. Am I talking fast? I'm a naturally, I'm a natural fast talker. Next question is, what is your channel gonna be about? I think it's just gonna be like this. Chill, laid back, and just me. Like, I like to do a lot of different things. I like to eat, so y'all probably will see a lot of mukbangs. I like to go out with my friends, so you might see that a little bit. I like to do my hair. I like to do my wigs. So I might be giving a lot of tutorials on wigs and stuff like that and installing my wigs. But I don't know, I'm just trying to go with the flow. See what comes natural, what you guys like. Next question is, do I have a crush? Y'all, I just said I was emotionally unavailable, but I have a crush. Like, I don't know why I like him. That's how it be a lot of times to me. Like, I don't even know why I be liking people. It's just the vibe. I feel like he has a good vibe. So I do have a crush. He's not really acting right now, so we'll see. This is really good. It's how tall am I? I'm 5'9", 5'10". I'm a stallion. 5'9" and a half. Yep. I like being tall. Your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby, I like to watch TV. I like to paint. I like to do stuff with my dog. And yeah, I like to do a lot of different things. Like, I'm very open to a lot of different. I'm a Sagittarius, so I feel like as Sagittarius, we're adventurous. We like to do anything. What's your top 5 artists? Mm, I listen to a lot of different music, but my top 5 would probably be SZA. I was just listening to her album. I love her album. I love her album. Summer Walker, Stunner Girl, and who else do I be listening to? I have no clue. I'm going blank. I listen to a lot of different like boy music too, like Blue Bucks Clan or like Ralphie the Plug, Draco, Lil Durk, stuff like that, you know. Next question is, what's your dream guy? My dream guy is tall, because I'm tall, so he has to be like at least like a 2-inch. Okay, dream. Let me not try to short myself. Dream, I would have to like tilt my head up just a little bit, like, because I was gonna say he could be the same, but no. I need him to be tall, uh, black, respectful, do what I say, make me happy, things like that. Teach me something. I don't want a guy that don't know nothing. Like, I want you to be able to teach me stuff. Teach me how to make more money. Teach me how to invest in my business, you know? Like, lead me so I can be submissive. Because, and that's one thing though, he has to be naturally dominant. Like, if you're not naturally dominant, I'm not gonna submit to you. Did you ever go on Baddies West? I feel like I would go on Baddies West. I feel like it's good exposure. I feel like, you know, they get lit, they get drunk. Yeah. I wouldn't want to be doing all that fighting though. Sometimes it'd be like unnecessary. Especially because when you look at this recent season of Baddies West, what bag was like, what was they really doing? They was in the club partying on the bus. In the club partying on the bus. Like, I'm like, what else is going on? I really feel like they should just do it in a big old house like Bad Girls Club and just take away their phones. Don't let them leave whenever they want to leave and barely come around. Like, actually put them in the house. They gotta stay there. They gotta rumble it out. Throw some girl's bed in the pool. I want to see that. I'm getting full. This is very like filling. Let me see this other sauce they gave me. I think it's the same sauce though. It look a little bit different. Let's see. Let's see what this sauce tastes like. It looked different, but I think it tastes the same. Holiday. My favorite holiday is Christmas. It's not even about getting presents because I really don't care to get presents. I like to give people presents because I feel like I'm a good gift giver. Like, I feel like I know people and I know what you would like. Well, I hope I'm a good gift giver. Next question is, what's your dream vacation? I want to go everywhere. I feel like my dream vacation though is Bora Bora. Biggest pet peeve. When it comes to guys, one of my pet peeves is if he doesn't know how to dress. But that doesn't really matter because he can fix it. Being too controlling. I don't like to be too controlled. Rude. Unnecessarily rude and mean. Especially, it's like, I don't care if you don't find a girl attractive or not. You should be respectful to every woman you meet. Like, it doesn't matter, you know? Another thing I don't like is when, like, flexing too much. Like, you know how guys just, like, if I'm hanging out with you and it's our first time hanging out together, you don't need to pull out a big old stack of hundreds to pay for our meal. Like, because then that's going to turn me off. Like, why you do all that? So thank you guys so much for watching my video. The food was really good. I recommend it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.